Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This part continues the lesson and gives you the next steps to understand the topic better. There are usually two types: thin slices of pork belly and small, flat pork patties. Both are marinated with fish sauce, sugar, garlic, shallots, and black pepper, then grilled over charcoal until browned at the edges. Fresh herbs and lettuce. A basket of greens helps cut through the richness of the meat. Common herbs include mint, perilla, cilantro, and Vietnamese balm, along with soft leaf lettuce. Dipping sauce, Noodle Cham. This light sauce ties everything together. It is a mix of fish sauce, warm water, sugar, lime juice or vinegar, garlic, and chili. Thin slices of green papaya or carrot often float in the bowl, adding crunch and a mild taste. When you eat, you combine noodles, pork, herbs, and sauce. The result is a balance of salty, sweet, sour, and spicy flavors, along with soft, chewy, and crisp textures in each bite. How to eat Vietnamese Bún Chả like a local. Part of the joy of Bún Chả is that you build each mouthful. There is no strict rule, but a few tips help your first bowl taste great. Building the perfect bite, a simple step-by-step guide. At a typical Bún Chả spot, your table will hold a plate of cool rice vermicelli, a basket of herbs and lettuce, a bowl of warm dipping sauce with grilled pork inside. Here is one easy way to eat it. Pick up a small bundle of noodles with your chopsticks. Add a leaf of lettuce and a few herb leaves on top. Dip this bundle into the warm bowl of sauce so it soaks up flavor. Grab a piece of grilled pork from the bowl and add it to your chopsticks. Eat it in 1 or 2 bites while the mix is still warm and cool at the same time. Some people like to pour a bit of sauce into a separate bowl, then add noodles, pork, and herbs on top to make a mini noodle salad. Both ways are fine. Play with it until each bite tastes right to you. Choosing toppings, herbs, and side dishes. The herbs are more than decoration. They freshen your mouth after the rich, fatty pork. If you are new to Vietnamese herbs, start with lettuce, for crunch. Mint, for a cool, bright taste. Cilantro, for a light, familiar flavor. Perilla and Vietnamese balm have stronger aromas. Try a little at first, then add more if you enjoy their taste. On the table, you might also find extra sliced chili, minced garlic, lime wedges. The sauce often has sliced green papaya or carrot inside, which gives a gentle crunch. Taste the sauce first. If it feels too sweet, add lime. If you want more heat, drop in chili slices. Most locals drink iced tea with Bún Chả, which feels clean and light between bites. That's all for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.